In a previous video we fixed this Galaxy S6 Edge. We replaced the display. However, there's one part that did not arrive on time, and it's also the reason for the back to be lifting off. And it's this spicy pillow. So in this video we're gonna be replacing it because it's kind of becoming a hazard. So let's get to it. Obviously first we have to power it off. And now I can do that properly because the display is actually working. Obviously you have to take the SIM card out as well, so pull out your SIM ejection pin. Now, mine is on my keys currently, but it could be different for everyone. Now you can start with the disassembly. After removing all of the screws, we can repeat the procedure of taking the frame off, which is quite easy given that we've already done it once. And here we have the spicy pillow. And the first thing we have to do is unplug it and all of the surrounding components. Gently lift up the board. But this time I'm not going to disconnect the charge port because all we're doing is taking the battery out.
Stop!
Now that we've already taken it off once, I can just pull it out like this. And yeah, it is quite spicy indeed. So this is getting disposed of. And now it is time to unpack the new one. And there it is. I'm not going to reinstall the adhesive because, well, the housing is already holding it down in place. I don't want to deal with that, to be honest, and make the removal of this battery also a pain. And there we go. And it does indeed power on with this battery, meaning that it works. Oh man, 7%. This must be quite an old battery if I'm being honest. But other than that, it is working really well. And it's also kind of smoother? Let's power it off. And it's time to put all the screws in and get this battery out of the way. And we're almost done, except what are we going to do about the glue on the back cover? Well, I'm glad you asked. We're going to put new adhesive, well, after removing the old one I put. What if we make this back transparent? Actually, no, that's too much of a hassle to be honest. Like, I could do it, but this back glass has the matching IMEI. Maybe when I get another back glass. We're also going to have to clean up the phone. So I've cleaned both the frame and the back glass. So what is done now is to peel off the protective adhesive strips and finally mount the back glass. That was actually quite satisfying. And we're finally done. This thing looks brand new. So now that everything is done on this phone, back glass is installed, new battery is installed as well as the display, there's only one more thing. However, that's going to be in an upcoming video. Subscribe and stay tuned for other videos like this. Like it if you liked it, comment if you have an opinion or something. Follow me on Blue Sky or any other platform you find me on. And I hope you have a great day wherever you are in the world. Or a night. Anyway. Bye everyone, and see you in the next video.